Chapter 5, now what we're going to do is we're going to look at inventory valuation, and we're going to use the lower of cost or market, and then we're going to look at the gross profit method used to estimate ending inventory. So first we're going to look at lower of cost or market. Requires businesses to report inventory and financial statement at whichever is lower, the original amount paid or the replacement cost. If the cost is greater than the replacement cost, the inventory must be written down by crediting inventory and debiting cost of goods sold for the difference. The lower of cost rule can be applied item by item, to broad categories of items, or to all inventories taken as whole. So let's walk through an example. Okay, first we'll do it lower cost to market on an individual basis. For project A, the lower is the replacement cost. Product B, it's the original cost. Product C, it's the original cost. And product D, it's the original cost. So when we add it all up, it is the total equals 386. We subtract that for the amount that we currently have as our total inventory value, and we're going to have to write it down by $20. Now, if we do it by group, we have the 210 is the lowest, the 178 is the lowest. So now the total is, this is by group, is 388, and what that means is we do a write down of 18. Now we do it by total. We'd compare the 406 to the 400. We'd use the 400, and we'd have to write down 6. Normally what happens is if you do the inventory in total, you get the lowest write down because there'll be fluctuations on all the different items. Now we're going to look at using the gross profit method to estimate ending inventory. Now, this can only be used like if there was a fire or something like that, but it cannot be used for financial reporting purposes. So the gross profit method provides a way to estimate ending inventory using the gross profit percentage. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with beginning inventory plus our purchases equal our cost of goods available for sale. And then we're going to estimate our cost of goods sold, subtract that out, and get our ending inventory. So first we're going to calculate the cost of goods available for sale. Then we're going to estimate the cost of goods sold, and then we're going to be able to get our ending inventory. So now we'll walk through a little example. We start, the company began the year with 51,000 in inventory, so that's our first line. Plus we add our purchases, so we get our total cost of goods available for sale of 378,100. We then take our sales of 505. We take that times the gross profit, we subtract that out, and we know that gives us our estimated cost of goods sold. We subtract that from our total cost of goods available for sale, and we estimate that our ending inventory would be valued at $64,814. So that's not too bad.